Today we're doing a new event that we've never done this structure before.
A wonderful collaboration between AMA, universities, and Autism Tree.
The agencies that we have are Duff Bear, the Shipyard, Red Door Interactive, and Power Digital.
It's empowering to students to be able to just be involved in such a high level of creativity, also in problem solving and critical thinking.
Putting what they're learning in the classroom together for someone that can actually apply it.
Yes, it has been so much fun to get to know the Autism Tree Foundation, the stories and all of the lives that they've changed.
How the professionals would approach this versus how us as students would approach this is like very interesting to see if we're on the right track.
Really having a great time kind of bringing our real world expertise and kind of meeting them where they are.
Very inspired by the mission, and particularly hearing from Otto, I think was incredible.
Students have a lot of great ideas on ways that we could leverage the San Diego community a bit more from a brand sponsorship perspective, and then also how can we best tap into the local community through volunteers as well.
I've never experienced something like this. It's been very eye-opening.
Very excited and honored to have been here today for a Companion a Day. It's been a great opportunity.
Overall, it's been a really wonderful experience to act as mentors and guide the students to build an amazing campaign.
I feel like I've connected with so many new people. We're showing our thought process. We're showing how we develop our ideas. And as students, we're really bringing that knowledge we learn here at school and getting a chance to apply it with actual professionals in this field and getting their feedback.
The energy has just been incredible.
Coming in as a mentor and a coach with the college kids is always a great experience.
I think it's amazing what you guys are doing to improve the lives of so many children and families.
Finding out what are the true problems, prioritizing those, and then figuring out solutions to that.
It's a very time-intensive process, so you got to work with a lot of different pieces and parts and personalities and get to know them.
It was pretty incredible. I've never been put under pressure for like 2 hours to come up with a campaign. We usually have like a whole semester to do that.
It was great. I loved learning with Shipyard. I think that we kind of identified each other's strengths, and there was a lot of collaboration and brainstorming.
With these different colleges and then the actual agencies supporting each college team, I absolutely, across the board, have felt embraced by them.